Hi and welcome to this tutorial. Here I'm going to show you a very neat trick to fill 100,000 cells in just a few seconds. So what I'm going to show you how to do is to enter the numbers 1 through 100,000 in the left column right here. This is a very important thing to learn if you have to on a regular basis number your items. Could be for a database. Could be imported inventory lists. Anything that you would like to have a number of for the entries in the columns or the rows. So you may think to do it like this and enter 1 and 2 to highlight them both, grab the quick fill handle and drag it down. Because you could fill it and you could go like this and wait and wait and wait, but that's going to take a long time if you're filling 100,000 cells, so here's how you can do that very quickly. Let's go from 1 to 100,000 in just a few seconds. On the Home tab, so type 1 in cell A1, then go to the Home tab and go to the Editing section. Click Fill, click Series, then for series click Columns. If I click Columns, it's going to make you go from 1 to 100,000 up and down, and column A, if I select Rows, it will make it go from 100,000 in row 1, so all the way left to right, so rows are left to right, columns up and down, so I'm going to select Columns. Keep this at linear step value 1, that's the value that I would like to increase each cell by, so I want it to increase by 1 and the stop value, so when would I like to stop? I'm going to stop at 100,000. If I wanted to go by 10, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, I would make a step value 10 instead of 1. That's it. Go ahead and click OK and check it out. So if you want to very quickly go to cell 100,000, hit Control on the keyboard, and then the down arrow. And 100,000, so that will really save you a lot of time if you're trying to fill in numbers.